Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Mega login issues, password and sync errors step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening any website and confirming it loads normally. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily, because Mega can block or limit suspicious connections. Now, confirm you are typing the correct email address by checking for extra spaces, wrong dots, or missing characters. Then, retype your password manually instead of using autofill, because saved passwords can be outdated. If you forgot the password, use Mega's Forgot Password option and complete the reset from the official email. After resetting, sign in again and make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you see too many attempts, wait at least 15 minutes and do not keep retrying during the cooldown. Open the Mega website and check if there is a service outage or maintenance notice affecting logins or sync. On your device, set the correct date and time automatically, because wrong time can break secure sign-in. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Mega.nz, because corrupted cookies can cause login loops. Try an incognito or private window and attempt to log in again to rule out extension conflicts. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers, then reload and test the login. If you use the Mega desktop app, fully quit it from the system tray and reopen it. Update the Mega app to the latest version, because older versions can cause sync and authentication errors. Restart your computer or phone to clear stuck background processes that can interfere with syncing. Check your firewall or antivirus settings and allow Mega, because blocked connections can cause sync failures. Make sure you have enough free disk space on the drive where the Mega Sync folder is located. Verify the local sync folder still exists and has not been renamed, moved, or deleted. Check file and folder permissions and ensure your user account has full access to the sync directory. Pause syncing in Mega settings, wait 10 seconds, and resume to refresh the sync engine. If specific files fail, rename the file to remove special characters and keep the path length shorter. Avoid syncing temporary system folders and instead choose a simple folder like Documents/Megasync. If you see sync debris or conflicts, follow the app prompt to review and choose which version to keep. Log out of Mega in the app, then log back in to refresh your session tokens safely. If the sync is still stuck, remove the sync pair in settings and add it again to rebuild the sync link. As a last resort, uninstall Mega, restart the device, then reinstall and set up sync from scratch. If the problem continues, contact Mega support and include the exact error message and your app version. While waiting for support, try logging in on another network or device to confirm if it is account or device related. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.